Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about 6 things that wear your tires out fast. That's right, these are 6 things that will wear your tires out fast. Now here's the thing, tires are great. They obviously are the only point of contact between your car and the road. So they're basically the things that keep your car nicely driving while you are on the road. And you don't want them to wear out too fast, and I'll tell you why. If they wear out too fast, it's going to cost you money, number one, but it also means, number two, that you're more likely to be driving around on bald tires or tires that are worn out. Because if you're wearing them out fast, you're more likely to drive on them without even knowing that you're driving on these worn out tires because it's been such a short period of time since you got them. So anyways, these are 6 things that will wear your tires out too fast. Hopefully you can avoid them. I'm going to try and keep this video short and sweet. Number one, accelerating too fast. When you accelerate too fast, when you accelerate in general, right, your tires have to have some friction against the road. That's how you accelerate, essentially. If you're accelerating too fast, your tires are trying to accelerate, but the road is going to cause them to sort of, get marked up. You can imagine it this way. When you accelerate really fast, your tires you'll burn rubber, as they call it. You'll peel out. But even if you don't hear that sound, your tires are still harshly pushing against the ground, the pavement, which will wear them out very fast. So accelerating too fast will wear your tires out very fast, okay? So accelerate smoothly, okay? You can still accelerate, but it just accelerates smoothly, right? Especially accelerating fast from a standstill will massively reduce your tire life, okay? The life of your rubber, of your tires on your car, the rubber tires on your car. Anyways, number two, turning too fast. Same thing goes with turning. When you turn, pressure or friction is being placed against the sides of the tires on the road. That's how they make your car turn, by putting that pressure on the sides of them. If you turn too fast or too aggressively, you're going to be putting a lot of pressure on them, and they're going to therefore wear down much faster. Especially the sides of the tires will wear much faster if you turn too aggressively. I remember, back in the day when I had my old car and I was a younger driver, way before I got married and way before I had kids, the sides of my tires were really worn in, and the person told me when they looked at it, they said, "You're taking your turns too fast. You're massively wearing down the sides of your tires." It was a 2009 Civic Si. I love that car. It handled so well. And yeah, like I said, I was much younger before becoming a husband, before becoming a father. It was a different time for me. So yeah, I was wearing them in way too fast because I was turning too aggressively. Okay. Long time ago, like I said, that was a way different version of me. Many years ago. We're talking about like 15 years ago, something like that. Long time ago. Okay, whatever it was. About 15 years ago, something like that. Anyways, number three, braking too aggressively. Same thing with braking. When you brake, your tires are going to be putting friction against the ground because you're slowing the car down. Your tires want to go at this speed, but you're making them go slower. So that puts friction against them. And by putting friction against those tires when you're braking aggressively, you're going to put more friction. The harder that you brake, the more friction you're going to put against the tires. Therefore, the faster that they will experience wear and tear. Number four, driving on unpaved roads often. Now, driving on unpaved roads is totally fine, especially if you have to do it. But if you drive on unpaved roads often, it's going to wear your tires down faster. Unpaved roads essentially wear your tires down faster than paved roads. So it's that simple. If you drive on unpaved roads more often than you drive on paved roads, you're going to wear them down faster. Very simple. It's as simple as that. You're just going to wear them. Doesn't mean they're going to wear super fast, but you will wear them down a little bit faster. Now, tires are meant to drive on unpaved roads. It's totally fine. But the fact of the matter is that they will wear down faster, okay? Number five is not rotating them. By rotating your tires, you're evening out the wear and tear. And essentially, if you don't rotate them, one side of the tire is going to wear out more than the other side of the tire. And then eventually they're just going to need to be replaced. So instead of evening out the wear, you're going to get one side that wears down extremely fast, and you're going to need to replace them sooner than later. Last but not least is number six, which is leaving the car parked for too long. It's totally fine to leave your car parked. Totally fine. A week, 2 weeks, a month, nothing's really going to happen. But when you leave your car parked for like months or years, then you're going to get like these flat spots on the tires, which will cause them to wear and tear much faster. It doesn't mean that you're going to need to replace them right away. You can drive with them and the flat spots will probably even out, but it will cause them to have wear and tear on that spot much faster than the other spots. That's simple. And the rubber on the tire will also wear down faster. The part that's sitting on the concrete, sorry, the part that's flat, the part that's flat, which is on the concrete, will wear down much faster than the other parts. So just think about it like that as well. That's it. Those are 6 things that wear your tires out fast and faster than usual. Yeah, please avoid them if you can. If you like this video explanation, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.